Welcome to the assembly instructions for your House of Party Magic Rainbow Balloon creation. We will walk you through step by step how to make your creation, and as you follow along, you can pause the video between steps if needed. Before starting, prepare the 260 balloons by stretching them, fully inflating once, and then deflating to improve flexibility. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Inflate the purple 260 balloon halfway and tie a secure knot at the end. Tie the balloon tail to the opposite end to form an arch. Adjust the curve so it is smooth and even. Take the dark blue balloon and inflate it slightly longer so it fits evenly around the purple arch. Attach the two arches together using 8 to 10 glue dots, spacing them evenly. Continue building the rainbow using the remaining balloons. Increase the length slightly with each layer to maintain the arch shape. Follow this color order: purple, dark blue, light blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Inflate the white balloons for the clouds. Tie two balloons together to create a pair and repeat to make a second pair. Twist both pairs together to form a cluster of 4 balloons. Wrap one single balloon around the center to create a 5-balloon cluster. Repeat this process to make 4 identical clusters. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Tie the white balloon clusters to the tails of the long balloons using a tight knot. Repeat on the other side to create the clouds. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Use the included hooks and ribbon to mount the rainbow securely on the wall, adjusting it so it hangs evenly. Your balloon rainbow is fully assembled.